Where's he going? Going to the Jambo house. Guest check-in.
Straight.
Guest parking.
Whatever that sign says. It says go that way.
Holy cow. Get that through there. Look at this whole place. This is cool. This way. It keeps saying welcome home.
Here?
Yeah, we're going to go through there and to the right. All the way to the back and to the right. Gift shop over there. They have a buffet over here for breakfast. It's the Disney Animal Kingdom Lodge. And let me start by saying, we just checked in, and so far it's worth every penny. Let's take a look. All right, we'll start from the front. Got our evacuation route in case the coronavirus takes over the whole hotel. We know where to go. So we got a little room occupied. This is like, I'm gonna save the view for last, but we got a nice little closet, got some extra pillows. This is really cool. This door, this is the door to the bathroom. Look at that. Just slides. Look at that. Look at the bathroom. I want this picture. Look at this. Our own special little shower cap from Disney. You get your, I guess this is body lotion, mouthwash, some sort of, can you read that? Yeah, vanity kit, and then look at the soap. Let's go in here. Now the bathroom has the same thing as well. Let's turn the light on. Look at that. Wow, look at that shower. Look at the shampoo. This is so cool. Look at that. Nah. You put all your extra stuff there. This right here pulls out and goes across there. When we first saw these, we thought they were some way to bring room service or the maid, but actually I think it's just to dry your like wet clothes. But it's a small tub, but man, that's super nice. Look at this. Look, it's a hot commodity here. We got toilet paper. Toilet paper. We're thinking about taking that home with us, but we shouldn't say anything. Little extra space down there. Look, you got your little hair dryer. Nice. We'll come out here. Okay, they put the little refrigerator there. You got your Keurig machine. Look at it, so cool. Look at this. That is so neat. And then when you open this drawer, you get all your fixings. Very cool. You got your little recycling thing there. Luggage rack. We already checked the beds. Beds are cool. This is so cool. Look, it looks like it's floating on air, but it's not. It's got legs. And then this is really cool. Look at that. It's got regular air conditioning. It doesn't have like a air conditioning unit, which is really cool. Or what do you call this? Like a wall unit. Look at this. Okay, so I want to turn the up lights on. Look at that, right above the bed. Then you get your scones. What does that say? Scones? Oh, those are these. Over there. Then ceiling light comes on. Look at this. And then I push this button. It says good night. They all shut off. Wow. All right. Got a nice little Samsung TV, yeah. Dresser, blah, blah, blah. You get your little desk. This is cool too, because this little button will turn that light on. Very cool. And then your phone. We're gonna keep these. I don't even know if I want to touch these right now with everything that's going on. But look at this. The Holy Bible. Very cool, very cool. All right. So here is, we chose the Savannah room. Katie's got binoculars. Okay, so we saw two giraffe over here. They looked like they wandered. There they are. I don't know if you can see them. They're all the way. They're all the way in the back there somewhere, like over there. Then we're like on the third floor, so we walked right in, and like we're level with everything. So they have over here, there's a person that knows all about the animals. That will, you can walk all the way around and they'll talk to you about them. There's like a, I don't know what that is. There's like an ox or something over there. And then there's a whole bunch of deer all the way in the back. There's some ducks or geese or goose or whatever. Do what?
I love it.
You love it. Sweet. Score one for me.
What?
What?
Get out.
Oh, it's a bug.
Go, go, go.
All right. So you can see me here.
Go, go, go. Don't get inside.
So we just checked in. Everyone is like, welcome home. Hi, yeah, they're so nice here. Like, the customer service is outstanding. Besides that, we're going to enjoy the time here. I know Disney is closing the parks on Monday, so we are going to try and get as much in the next 2 days, and then hopefully it won't be too crowded. There was like no traffic coming up here. There's like barely anybody in the lobby. I don't know how busy this place is supposed to be, but anyway, we're going to check back in, do a little tour downstairs. Until then, stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Look at this. And what is that? Yeah. Is that a fish tank? Or is it a water? Oh, look. Little waiting area down there. Oh, look down there. That's the, I guess that's the restaurant. Maybe the buffet. And there's the bar right there. Nice little bar. Okay. All right. Oh, look at this. This one. What are you doing? Oh, the water fountain?
It's pretty. You got it?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh, sorry. What is there a gym in here? Payphones. Wow, that's yummy. No, I don't want any of those.
I like these little things.
The tongs?
Yeah.
We have meats and cheeses.
Banana.
Oh, down before.
Wait, banana? Which one's banana? Which one's grape?
Oh, that was like, I don't know.
Is this one? Ooh.
All those pancakes. Oatmeal? What's this?
Oven roasted turkey.
Oven roasted turkey. And then looks like they have quiches over there too.
We put whatever you want on there.
Oh, look at that. They get tater tots.
I'll
What
hold
is
it.
it? A
I'll hold it
plantain?
while you do it.
Okay. Alright, so I was able to manage a low-carb breakfast. And then she was managed to get everything else. That was on the menu.
Yeah.
It smells nice out here. Oh, look at that. There's another restaurant inside there, too. Can you swim in there? Bless you.
It reminds me of Goonies. I was like, what are the odds that those movies were playing?
I know, right?
You know what?
I watched all of Sandlot.
Afterwards?
No, I don't know, maybe. Look
Did
at
you watch the whole Goonies movie?
No, half of it. And we just watched them too. Bless you. Oh, look. There's a little bridge. There's a little tiki butt over there. Tiki, like water slide? Oh yeah, they got a water slide.
We should just stay here.
Yeah. There's the hot tub.
No one's in.
Yeah.
Is someone in? I think is that what that is?
That's a hot tub, yeah. It's too hot for a hot tub. A little playground. Nobody's at.
I would play in it.
What's that? It's like a shower.
Oh, look, flamingos there.
Huh? Oh. Oh yeah, you're near the area.
There's lizards everywhere. That's your Jurassic Park.
Yeah, right? What is this?
Can we feed them?
Oh, no, it's for trash, I guess. What is it? Oh, it tells you about them. This is where they hang out.
Oh.
The animals.
Flamingos?
No. Flamingo. What do they call it? A flamboyance?
Flamboyant, when they are traveling in packs.
That's a flamboyance.
You cannot.
So I guess that's where they bring them in. Alright, it's another market. There's no way out. But they have wines, pastries, restaurant. Oh, this is different. Which one's this one called? Oh, that was called Mara. Oh. There is a fitness center. You could get lost in here. Well, how did we get from the we didn't do the fitness center? There's the lobby. Where are we at? Yeah, we'll go right through here. Go in there. Get back to the lobby.
Wait, so then Outlook is way over there.
Yeah, that's just the overlook.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
We're going back inside.
To do what?
To get to the... I don't know. Simba's clubhouse? Wow. Look at that. Ready?
Yeah.
There's the campfire.
Is that where we were gonna go?
That's where you have the s'mores.
Oh, that's so cool.
What's this? Here we go, here we go. Oh, it's still. Look at him go, look at him go. Where's he going?
Look at him slither, man.
He's going. Looks like it's feeding time.
I see your butt. You got on video, babe? He likes to run. You see him running?
Pumbaa's Fun and Game. There's like nobody in here. Oh, it's locked. Oh, it's loud. Oh wow. Fender. What is that? One thing I did notice is that there, by the back bathrooms and the game room, you have lockers as well while you're at the pool, which is very, very helpful. I still can't find the gym though. I'm on the lookout. Very nice at night. All right, it's Monday, the 16th.
Yay!
Katie's birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
The parks are closed. So, congratulations, Katie. You've closed the parks on your birthday. We're heading home from the Animal Kingdom Lodge. That's our view of the Savannah.
Wonderful.
There's not many animals today. We got a couple pelicans. I don't know, maybe they're out because of the virus too. I don't know. Overall, get some light here. Overall,
It was wonderful.
it was awesome. We didn't do much around the hotel, which is what we were gonna do, but we were so exhausted from the parks that we got in the Lion King show. We got in Flight of Passage, amazing.
Last minute.
Last minute, we were lucky enough to get a fast pass. Yeah, it's bright. So other than that.
It was wonderful. Thank you, Bubby.
The bed's a mess again, and they don't have any pens. There's
Yeah.
no Animal Kingdom pens.
But their shampoo.
The shampoo and conditioner H2O.
It was amazing.
I think we're gonna go buy some because that stuff I could smell it all the way out here.
Yeah, it was nice.
But overall, the hotel's amazing. Customer service is amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Just
The
so
view.
well done. I mean, it's the view. Yeah, it's just a great hotel. It's again, we don't spend this much, but it's her birthday, so we wanted to get in a little something different. Well, she wanted to be around animals. We found a lot of animals.
Yeah,
so,
we did.
anyway, yeah. So anyway, our view of the Animal Kingdom Lodge is
5 out of
5, 10 out of 10. You name it, it's great. Still not as good as Cabana Bay, just because we like the theme better.
No,
But other than that,
50.
amazing, just amazing.
Yeah.
So thank you for subscribing. Give us a thumbs up if you like it, and we'll catch you on the flip. Anyway, bye.
Bye.
Everything's closed down. People are still coming out. So are the animals. Right when we left.
They don't want to leave.
Yeah, it's feeding time. The zebras have come out.
So come on.
Nice.